On July 20th this year, Disneyland Paris is going to open the Avengers Camp. This will be a similar but different variant from the one in Disneyland's park in California. In this video, we are going to find out everything about the Avengers Camp and everything you need to know before you go visit the Avengers Camp in Disneyland Paris. The Avengers Camp will be located at the Hollywood Studios Park. There will be 2 new restaurants in the area. The first one is the Stark Factory, which will be a counter service restaurant. Here you can eat things like pizza, pastas, and salads. The Stark Factory will be themed with superheroes who are working on their equipment. The second restaurant will be the PYM Kitchen, which will be a buffet restaurant. This restaurant will be themed with the particle technology of the Ant-Man and the Wasp. You will also find new stores with all the new Avengers merchandise. There will be a meet and greet, which is called the Hero Training Center. Here you can meet your favorite characters like the Black Panther, Thor, Spider-Man, and Iron Man. The whole day there will be small shows where you will spot characters on the roofs and on the streets. There will also be a new high-tech vehicle which will transport the Avengers. On the Avenger Campus, there will also be a new dynamical freeze frame available with the Disney Photo Pass system. There, you and your family can take a photo with Captain Marvel or Iron Man, which looks really amazing. You can book this option if you want on the Disneyland Paris app. The area will have 2 new attractions, which are the Spider-Man Web Adventure and the Avengers Assemble Flight Force. The Spider-Man Web Adventure will be the same variant as the one at the Avengers Camp in California. In this attraction, you are shooting webs at the target on the screen with the movement of your arms to get the most points. The Rock and Roller Coaster, which has been closed a while ago, will be the new Avengers Assemble Flight Force. This roller coaster has been renovated completely with new high-tech effects and screens, which tell the story of you saving the world with Iron Man and Captain Marvel. There will be a minimum height for this attraction of 1.20 meters. Thank you so much again for watching, and please let us know in the comments what you think of the new Avenger Camp area. Don't forget to subscribe to keep updated about all the latest news and tips all about Disneyland Paris. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you again real soon in the next video.